How would Tanjiro look if he was drawn in 10 hours? But first, let's see how he turns out if we draw him in 1 hour. The result of both parts will make you want to comment, "Oh my god." In this first part, we focus on filling in the drawing accurately, coloring with Ohuhu markers or whichever brand you prefer since it's faster and easier. For the hair, I blend a little with the pencil to give it a more striking effect. I use fine liners to outline the necessary parts. That's satisfying. But do you know what's even more satisfying? That you leave me a nice it goes into my piggy bank. And something even more satisfying is this second part, in which we'll focus on adding more color and more semi-realistic features so that the 10 hours of work are worth it. To color the skin, the first thing I do is lay down a layer with markers, and then I'll use Faber-Castell super soft colored pencils to find the tone I want. If you're wondering why I colored that part of the face blue, it's because it's the shadow. And in this case, I wanted it to be a cool shadow so it contrasts with the light, which is warm and gives a more magical effect. To color the eyes, I also use different shades of red to create a blended effect. With the fine liner, I also draw the eyelashes. To color the hair, I first use markers, outlining the lighter and darker parts to give it more volume. Afterwards, I'll use the pencil to draw some strands of hair, adding more detail. I color the background very dark so that it contrasts more and the drawing stands out. I also add some water details, something extra. If you thought this drawing of Tanjiro Kamado was epic, the drawing of Nezuko will blow you away. You can go check it out right now and rate me from 1 to 10. What did you think?